And no, 3 is echo glass. In the middle of the desert, an ordinary patch of sand becomes extraordinarily valuable when a shimmering pane of otherworldly glass appears. It seems almost invisible until you realize that within its depths lies an impossible reflection. Looking through the glass, you see a vision of the future, a glimpse of the moment you will meet the most important person you will ever know. The person who will change your life forever. Lovers embrace, families are reunited, destinies align, all within the span of a few seconds. But never, ever does it show what happens after. At first, the crowds are polite, queuing up to take their turn at gazing into the pane of glass each, hoping for a vision of happiness, a life-changing glimpse of their true love, or a moment with a loved one lost long ago. But as days pass without incident, people become desperate, clambering over one another to get close, shoving and pushing, willing the glass to reveal their futures. The authorities try to intervene, but how do you stop an event that has not yet happened? How do you prevent a future from becoming reality? They can't. All they can do is stand by and watch as one by one the visions come true. Over time, people become obsessed. They gather at airports, train stations, even street corners, desperately waiting for the moment the glass has shown them, trying to force their futures to align. They wait years, decades, a lifetime holding on to a single, precious vision, never letting go. Some never find the person they were meant to be with. Some wish they hadn't. Here we have our visual hook. We pull back to reveal hundreds, thousands of people pressed against the glass, each staring at their own special vision, their own private glimpse of the future. What do you see when you look into the echo glass? Is it a loved one waiting for you on the other side of the world, or a chance meeting around the corner? Or perhaps it's something you never wanted to see, something from your past that was best left buried. Whatever it is, whatever futures lie dormant within this vast, shimmering plane, we can only hope that they are worth the wait, that the visions we see are kind and not cruel. Because once you glimpse your future, you cannot escape it. So let us talk about why this is such an interesting story and why I think it would make a great film. First off, we have a mystery. What is this glass? Where did it come from? Why is it showing these visions? And then we have a ticking clock. These visions are happening, whether people want them to or not. There is no way to control them or change them. And that creates a lot of tension. You really start to wonder, are these people going to find the people they're meant to be with? Are they gonna get their happy ending? Or are they gonna be disappointed? Because remember, this isn't just a fun, whimsical story. This is a story about obsession and desperation. People are willing to move mountains to be with the person they love, to be with the person the glass has shown them. They're willing to leave their jobs, their families, their friends, all for a chance at happiness. And then there's the visual element of this story. Imagine the shots you could get, the visual effects, the stunning imagery of these people pressed up against the glass, desperate to see their future. And finally, there's the philosophical angle. What does it mean to have your future decided for you? To know your destiny, to know who you're going to be with, to know how your life is going to end. Is that a blessing or a curse? Now, if this story sounds familiar to you, it might be because there is a book called The Time Traveler's Wife. It has a similar premise. This idea of a fixed future, of people who are destined to be together no matter what. But I think there's enough here in this story to make it stand out. I think it could be something truly special, a love story for the ages. So what do you think? Would you watch this movie? Let me know in the comments below. And while you're down there, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps my channel. And with that said, let's keep this party going.